Hello, future coding superstars. Welcome to the exciting world of GitHub, where collaboration and innovation come together. Have you heard of GitHub but feel a little intimidated? Maybe you're unsure where to start or how it all works. That's okay. We've all been there. The good news is you're not alone, and we're here to help you every step of the way. In this guide, we'll demystify GitHub and show you how easy it is to create your very own repository. You'll learn the basics and gain confidence. Think of this guide as your trusty map. Just like any journey, having a map makes everything clearer and more manageable. We'll navigate the ins and outs of GitHub together, step by step. From setting up your account to making your first commit, we've got you covered. By the end, you'll be well on your way to mastering the basics of this powerful platform. You'll feel confident and ready to tackle more advanced features. Get ready to dive in and unlock a world of possibilities with GitHub. Let's get started on this exciting journey together. Imagine a repository as your special digital folder where you store your code and project files. It's like a centralized hub for all your coding adventures. GitHub provides a safe and organized space for your repositories. You can easily access them from anywhere with an internet connection. What's cool is that GitHub also lets you track changes to your code over time. This is incredibly helpful, especially when collaborating on projects with others. First things first, you'll need a GitHub account. Don't worry, it's free and easy to set up. Just head over to github.com and sign up using your email address. Once you've created your account, you can log in using your username and password. This will take you to your GitHub dashboard. Your dashboard is like your GitHub homepage where you can see your repositories and other activities. If you ever forget your password, don't panic. Just click on the Forgot Password link and GitHub will guide you through the recovery process. Section 4. Creating your first repository, a step-by-step guide. Now let's create your first repository. This is an essential step for managing your projects and sharing your code with others. From your GitHub dashboard, look for a button that says New Repository or something similar. This button is usually prominently displayed to make it easy to find. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a new page. This page is where you'll set up the basic details of your repository. Here, you'll give your repository a name. This name should be unique and descriptive to help you and others understand what the repository is about at a glance. Choose something descriptive like My First Website or Python Projects. A good name can make your repository more discoverable and easier to manage. Below the name, you can add a brief description of your repository. This description provides more context about the purpose and contents of your repository. Next, you'll decide on the visibility of your repository. This is an important decision based on who you want to have access to your code. Public repositories are visible to everyone, while private repositories are only accessible to you and people you choose. Consider your project's needs when making this choice. You'll also see options for adding a README file, a Get in Your file, and choosing a license. These files are crucial for providing information and managing your project effectively. These are helpful for organizing your project and making it clear how others can use your code. A well-written README can guide users on how to install, use, and contribute to your project. Section 5. Exploring your new repository. What's next? Congratulations! You've successfully created your first GitHub repository. This is a significant milestone in your journey as a developer. Now, it's time to explore its features and make the most out of this powerful platform. You can add files to your repository by uploading them from your computer, which is a straightforward process. Alternatively, you can create new files directly on GitHub, making it convenient to manage your code online. You can also create folders to organize your files, ensuring your project stays neat and structured. GitHub makes it super easy to collaborate with others, whether they are across the room or across the globe. You can invite collaborators to your repository with just a few clicks, and they can make changes to the code, review your work, and contribute their own improvements. Another cool feature is issue tracking, which helps you manage your project efficiently. You can use issues to keep track of bugs, feature requests, and any other tasks that need attention. This way, you can ensure that nothing falls through the cracks and your project stays on track. Happy coding! Section 6 conclusion, your GitHub adventure begins. That's it. You've taken your first steps into the exciting world of GitHub. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment and explore the many features GitHub offers. There's a whole community of developers out there ready to help you along the way, so go ahead, create more repositories, experiment with different features, and most importantly, have fun coding. Happy coding!